I love how I'm filling your feed with a bunch of junk and weird videos, and I love the reaction I get, which is nothing. Everybody's saying, "What the hell is Arthur doing? What's he all about? Why does he keep dropping these rocking out videos every Saturday? You wake up in the morning, you're just like, I want to like get pumped. I want to wake up. It's only about 7:30. Black Saturday, Easter Vigil, have some faith. I'm all about promoting that stuff, but I just, want to let you guys know what I'm rocking out to today. So stay tuned for a little live feed with me and my wife, just explaining how our lives have changed. So if you guys don't know about Cutlass or 12 Stones, they're two Christian rock bands that I used to be into. My brother Leroy knows about them. And we be out here rocking. I'm just introducing the Paisley. The lyrics are great because when you're at your worst of your worst, you listen to it, it gets you pumped up, it brings you back to life. Kind of like, a lot of them songs. So with Cutlass, you listen to some of the music, it's it's basically, it starts off by saying, you have fallen, bring me to my knees. They're great bands, and they're just absolutely, I mean, you guys like my Dragon Ball display, but anyways, you guys are probably like wondering, what the fuck, Art, you're always on my feed dropping these whack ass music videos. But we're just having fun. That's what life is about. You wake up and you're just like, fuck it, let's do this. See, listen, a lullaby of pain. So if you listen to the words, it's basically, it almost seems like you're talking to like a ex-girlfriend or something like that, or like a breakup, but it's really like you're speaking to God. So it's kind of crazy because when you repent, you really understand what it's about. You become free. So what would they call it, the sacrament of reconciliation, or where you go and you talk to the Father, etc., etc. So I think it's really interesting. 12 Stones is also a Christian band. They're very underlooked and they're really good, but if you guys haven't heard of them, they're also very good. So this is just a clip from. We wake up, I'd be like just giving it, belching out these lyrics, speaking to God. You guys are probably like, damn, Arthur, he's spiritual, but I'm really not. I'm trying to be, in every sense, but sometimes that's what you need to be reborn, you know what I'm saying? So basically, Jesus Christ reborn tomorrow, we be preaching. But what I do is I rock out the Amber Pacific, 12 Stones, or Cutlass. Some of these. Amber Pacific's not really a Christian band, but y'all see me play that with my ukulele. But I just want to know that in the morning, what gets me pumped up, how I get going. So me and my wife will be doing like kind of a live, or not so much of a live, more of an IGTV video, just to kind of talk about how our lives have changed in our new health program. So stay tuned. It's not going to be on my profile, but it'll probably be on my wife's. But 12 Stones, baby, rock on. That's just one of the best bands in the world. I love getting no reaction. It just cracks me up. You do something crazy, it's kind of like, damn. People watch the video, they're like, what the hell is Arthur talking about? What's he mean? And then everyone's like, you get like 2 likes. It's great. It's great. The more I do that, I'm gonna fill your feed with garbage. This is a sick song, man. It's called In My Head. Paul McCoy just kills it. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, my social media gurus say, what's up? You talk to the world. There's a couple guys out there that always do that. You know who you are. You ain't embarrassed. You just do what you got to do. You have fun. Life is short. What's up? What's up? Y'all know this song right here. Song gets me pumped. You wake up, you ain't even got to work out. You just get up. You feel excited to start your life for the rest of the day. Much love it. I love everybody out there. This is the song right here. You jam. This is the studio version, actual, with powered instruments and everything. Is basically. Anyways, guys, yeah, I just want to say, let you know what I'm doing. You know, it's still the weekend, still got a day or two of vacation. That's it. It's done. It's done.